Hello friends, today I will talk about the nausea vomiting in palliative care. So everybody knows what is nausea. Nausea is an unpleasant sensation of need to vomit. And what is vomiting? Vomiting is a forceful expulsion of the gastric content through the mouth. So what are the causes of nausea vomiting in palliative care or in cancer patient? In palliative care, I am talking about cancer patient. So the causes of cancer nausea vomiting, it may be cancer itself or the therapy which is used for the cancer treatment. So when we talk about the causes of the nausea vomiting, so first is like tumor itself. It may be of GI tumor, gastrointestinal tumor, which causes the obstruction in the GI tract and causes gastric stasis or intestinal obstruction, or it may be intracranial tumor which causes nausea vomiting. Other causes may be therapy of the cancer, like chemotherapy induced nausea vomiting, radiation induced nausea vomiting. And if patients having pain, for pain he using some opioids like morphine, fentanyl, so it may cause gastric stasis and it slows the intestinal peristalsis or movement, causes gastric stasis and nausea vomiting. So there are so many cases, so many causes of nausea vomiting in cancer patient. When we talk about the treatment of the nausea vomiting, so treatment of the nausea vomiting in cancer patient, it depends upon the individual factor and the causes of the nausea vomiting. Suppose it may be because of cancer itself or tumor itself, it may be brain tumor, so we usually give steroid for that reason, for the brain tumor, if nausea and vomiting is because of brain tumor, or if it is because of therapy, like it may be because of chemotherapy, radiotherapy and opioid, we give some another medicine like very commonly used medicine is MSH. So there are different medicine for different causes. Nausea vomiting is maybe because of anxiety, worries. In that cases we give some like anti-anxiety drug or tranquilizer like lorazepam, or in some cases the nausea vomiting is because of severe constipation, so in that case we give only laxative. So laxative relieves the constipation and nausea vomiting relieves. Sometimes nausea vomiting is because of gastritis, then in that case we give antacid. So there are different causes of nausea vomiting, we treat accordingly. Sometimes patient doesn't get relief after so many drugs, so many therapy, so we have to reassess the patient after 24 hours of starting of the antiemetic therapy. If there is no relief, we have to change it. Sometimes we may use multiple drugs when there are multiple causes, so we have to use multiple drugs. And when the patient is getting worse after when we wait for 24 hours or more than that, and patient seems dehydrated and patient is worsening, in that case the patient have to contact their consultant or primary physician.